This is cow skin, or popularly known as Pomo here in Nigeria. It is in its dried and dirty form. So I'll be showing you how this Pomo or cow skin is being cleaned before it is used to make any dish here in Nigeria. You can see that there's still some of the cow hair on the Pomo or the cow skin, and the inside is also very dirty. So I'll take the cow skin or the Pomo to the fire to burn out the hair that is left on it. You can also use your knife to hold it and then the fork to steady it so that you can burn all the hair out. After the burning process, I will use a knife to scrape out all the burnt hair and also any other dirt or dried particles on the pomo. Please forgive the audio quality of this video. I was outside of the house while I was recording this video. I cut them into 4 pieces. Now I'm going to soak it in a bowl of water. I will leave it in this bowl of water for about 2 days. You can soak it for less, maybe overnight if you like. I'm soaking it in a bowl of water to make it softer and easy to clean. After 2 days, it is soft and everything is ready to be cleaned out. Both the in and the outside of the pomade. I will clean them out. You can see that the pomade has doubled in size because I soaked it for a long time. I will make use of an iron sponge to do the cleaning process. If you have this rubber brush, you can also use that to clean the pomade. Just make sure you are doing a clean job. If you're coming into this channel for the first time, you're very welcome. Thank you for tuning into this channel to watch my video. Please do not forget to give me a like in this video by clicking on the thumbs up button, and also subscribe to this channel if you have gained any value at all from watching this video. Thank you very much. And to all my other subscribers, God bless you all. Thank you for always supporting me in watching my videos. Thank you. At this point, the texture of the pomo is very soft. But if you happen to find any other hard portion when you are doing yours, make sure you boil it first before using it to cook your meal. The only difficulty in buying this dry pomo is because of this cleaning process. But I tell you, it is worth it because after cleaning it, you will have a large quantity of pomo. You will enjoy it for a long period of time, I tell you. After cleaning the outer parts, I am now cleaning the inner parts. You can see how easy it is to clean because I soaked it for a longer period. I'm ripping out every dirty part from it. At this point, my pomo is very soft and I wouldn't need to boil it again before using it to cook any meal. But if you find that when you are doing yours, there's some portion that are still strong, you can parboil them before using it to cook. Now the entire pomo is clean, the outer layer and also the inner side, it's also clean. So you can see how the cleaning process went. So next time that you go to the market, it's better you buy the dried one so that you can do the cleaning process yourself and have a large quantity of pomo when you want to make your dish. Thanks for watching this video, and bye.